Nchiguro history of Eze, I will below the word Eze Chima.
Yes.
Because Eze Chima bo afande ndi bo one nine over there and afande no.
Okay.
Then if a many bona above Benin, can you know if you favor one name? Nso bo abia obapo and ebe who needs to go among for Ezechime or what I did again nanya. So Biazia, as you go again, only one up Arochukwu na Igbo, Abia local government. Arochukwu, why is so powerful? So Abia, Oba Abia, Asakoja Arochukwu, Urona Arochukwu, Abia Onya Chima. Chima Abia, they look after Oba. Can you look with any something happens? Onwezia more Oba, you need more Oba, Dime. Monday Bini when so. Wasimba no ma miko gesime amazini femini odi kan sobobia otaze ba poso munyo ba emo omwanyi padi kwewu obia tonye walo obia ba poso pota no bio nko no welu na abo onwende simba nike ago apoa ije na ndokwato do we na ba Onitsha.
Yes.
Ojegidelu obio odi ime bizo obio omwanwo obolokpo obio bu nwa bu nende Ezechime. When we were to go Chima being Dibia, or Bafa, Asa no ga cross river Niger, no ga gagide through Anocha Wepota, or Bia no bio, once no get or cross a jet to Onitsha. Brother more on the tubu, yab on the tubu, Dio Baden and Ezechime.
Okay.
Then, look where they're going on there, Asonagaga, or Jaggy Jacob Bomba, Amazon, Epacos more bomba, or bomba the cat P8 to Chima. Obomba kwano one wa kuku obodono one wa plantation so one ejena efa anu na ebuta siji ebu aje cause there erumu eji one wa we boy jozo.
Okay.
So Onitsha obomba ezi aneje mana amazim ka kisisi me mana amanu asi uzo ndokwa trust ya to Onitsha maka Onitsha milibu Ezechime. Ebe aka onozi muwaza ndozo mamazi mana Obiamwa Iseluku.
Okay. Iseluku with the last.
Iseluku with the last. Alpha Bolibo. Then Uluguelu now listen. Onitsha de nanya. Emogwane bonna. Ojega otopo onokoji bonna samba no ma mkwe. Semena. Obia semana ambron. Nangibu Olibo ngibu nwata. Nangi kwa ga na olaka bia nisi. Nangi kwa na anu afa. Ya biba na Ezechime ya fu Iseluku. Wabu ndo anu afa. Because never when one a link to Bini, like Rufus, grandfather onya, in fact one a Jebinazo, Umuana Jise. So the history can alcohol because when they want so many things. Because of my background, I don't know Arochukwu. I'm on the east. Nuguta, Nambu British master, Manu Nabia from east, Nuguta Konaga, and being a carrier of my master, Arochukwu. Our mama, that is someone was very well. So I knew over a novel, I found for Anioma. So Ogwana Padi history was Beji organ na custom from 54 to 59. Opa came to Amuneja license like God. Now Jazal Jumon and dear Daged, take a Bazwaya, Valentine, and Onawam. The back I said, no, the history woman, no one near Bia. Up what I could know by because Obana one day is so cool. I may say, but Chima Bafa de Bini, and I want one to Ezun Sibia, one on our bomba, one well plantation now, Kuku, and I will pushing the north now. Ojekosio, or Lineage, one was Yezuzo. Okay. Unoga, who the history of mine and thou whom we link, because they back a plantation, you know. So that the history of a woman for controversy, look at it, for someone to be there, but I can't be for. Mbose ga bezi ozo I ma go say one table do na palo oba kenza because Muneja license is gone and history ma onye de ka bazwa ndozo wakwasa history if am go exactly what about guy o Oxford o ma akwụkwọ ọ bụ di onye Enugu before so ma the history say if am go by one portion but so much jogu when ke luaka ma nke am we na the history wa moro because na mom na east aro this job agwa because bia why obaji je de deep na afozo e bota mada asa mana be disappear one afo ono ejere provide the slaves na ejobodo yibo from there we see that doctor of no popo from popo ship to Liverpool at the history of Ezechime in brief.
Wow.
The elderly man talking in that video is from Ezuzo Kingdom in Anioma land. And Ezuzo Kingdom is located in Onitsha North Local Government Area in Delta State. The name of that elder is Gabriel Chukwudebe Onochie. He is the Ogbelane of Ezi Kingdom. He said that the Oba of Bini is having problem with his brother. And because of that, he started looking for a dibia that will give him protection. The elderly man said that Oba of Bini heard of a place called Arochukwu. He heard that Arochukwu have great dibias. And after that, the Oba of Bini sent his messengers to go to Arochukwu and get for him a dibia. His messengers went to Arochukwu and they got Ezechime. Ezechime went to Bini Kingdom and he started serving the Oba of Bini. The elderly man said that after some time in Bini Kingdom, Ezechime started having issues with the Bini Palace. And because of that, he left Bini Kingdom. And on his way back, he founded all the Ezechime communities in Anioma land and also in the southeast. What this elderly man said here is proof that Ezechime is not a Bini man. Some people are coming online making different kind of videos, writing different articles, saying that Ezechime is the son of the Oba of Bini. Bini people will tell you that Ezechime is from the Bini royal family. They will tell you that this Oba of Bini gave birth to Ezechime, that Oba of Bini gave birth to Ezechime. They are claiming Ezechime so that all Ezechime communities in Anioma land and in the southeast will start identifying as Bini people. But the historical facts are there, saying that Ezechime is not a Bini man, but an Igbo man. The latest Oba of Bini Kingdom, called Chief Edebiri, he said that Ezechime is an Igbo man and not a Bini man. The name is Ezechime. Ezechime is not a Bini name. The only people that bear Ezechime in the world are Ndi Igbo. Onitsha Kingdom is the first son of Ezechime. Onitsha Kingdom is the first community in Igbo land to be called Onitsha. Every other Onitsha in Anioma land came into existence after Onitsha, the first son of Ezechime. The Obi of Onitsha Kingdom said that Ezechime is an Igbo man from Nri and Oka Aziz in Anambra State. He said that Ezechime is a powerful dibia and that Ezechime is a blacksmith. But this elder from Ezi Kingdom is saying that Ezechime is from Arochukwu. Some accounts are saying that Ezechime is from Nri and Oka Aziz in Anambra State. Some are saying that Ezechime is from Arochukwu. The Obi of Onitsha said that Ezechime was producing spears, cutlasses, and other weapons for the Oba of Bini in Bini Kingdom. And in Igbo land, those people that are well known as blacksmiths are Oka people. Nri Kingdom are not known as blacksmiths. The people that are producing weapons for Nri Kingdom, the people that are producing royal staffs and other things for Nri Kingdom are Oka people. Whether Ezechime is from Nri and Oka Aziz, whether he's from Arochukwu, the most important thing here is that Nri Kingdom, Oka Kingdom, and Arochukwu Kingdom are all Igbo people. The most important thing here is that Ezechime is an Igbo man and not a Bini man. The other man said that Ezechime gave birth to Obompa community. He said that Obompa was like a PA to Ezechime. Some Ezechime clans are saying that Ezechime gave birth to Obompa. It's not true. Obompa is a friend to Ezechime. They both left Bini Kingdom when the Oba of Bini started looking for them to kill them. The both of them ran away from Bini Kingdom to their present location. Eze Chima settled in Obio community in Anioma land. His friend Anaba, the founder of Obompa, settled in Obompa community in Anioma land. The king of Obompa kingdom said that Anaba, the friend of Ezechime, is from Ogidi in Anambra state. Obompa people call their founder as Anaba Ogidi. So, Ezechime is not the father of Obompa. But Obompa people identify as one of Ezechime clans. Ezechime na big name. All of them come back from Benin Kingdom. So, they call the answer Ezechime clans. They identify as Ezechime people. But that does not mean that Ezechime gave birth to Anaba, the founder of Obompa. The other man from Ezi said that when Ezechime was coming back from Benin Kingdom, that some of his people settled in Okwane land, and they are Onichukwane people. According to the history of Onichukwane people, they said that they migrated from Onitsha in Anambra state. The most important thing here is that Onichukwane people in Okwane land are descendants of Eze Chima. The deputy governor of Delta State called Monde Oyeme. He is a descendant of Eze Chima. He is from Onichukwane community in Anioma land. But if you go to Onichukwane today, you will see so many Onichukwane people telling you that they are not Igbo people, that they are Bini people, that their ancestors came from Bini. Some Onichukwane people don't even know that they are descendants of Eze Chima. They will just tell you that they are Bini people, that they came from Bini. Now, if you can't go, they ask Onichukwane elders about their origin, about their history. They will come start to tell you, say, they migrate from Onitsha in Anambra state. The kings of some Ezechime communities in Anioma land here will be telling you that they are Bini people. If you go Iseluku today, the Obi of Iseluku, they will tell you, say, they be Bini people. They will be telling you that one Bini prince called Owadia or Bini daughter called Owadia gave birth to them. Some Iseluku historians are now saying that Ezechime is from Iseluku. That the Bini prince called Owadia founded Iseluku. And that Bini prince gave birth to Ezechime. Ezechime now migrated to Bini Kingdom. To be living in Bini Kingdom, his ancestral home. And when Ezechime had issues there, he came back and founded other communities in Anioma land. These are the lies that Iseluku historians are telling the world. They are called on a traditional head of Ezechime, just like as our Diokpa here take explain. No mean say una get the right to the lie, they deceive the public. Iseluku is the last child of Ezechime. Iseluku is not even a direct child to Ezechime. He is a grandchild. Nwa Ezechime yamu Iseluku. Iseluku kingdom was not founded by Olibo. Not being found the community because people are already living in that community before he came and joined them. The first people to settle in Iseluku kingdom are called Nri people. They migrated from Nri kingdom in Anambra state. You can find them in Oboli village in Iseluku kingdom. There's still plenty in numbers. They will tell you that they are the first people to settle in Iseluku. You don't tell where they settle for that place. You don't tell where they live for that place. But as Olibo, the grandchild of Ezechime come, they come accept him, come make him their king. Oboli people in Iseluku kingdom are the ones that crown the Obi of Iseluku. Those that crown kings are mostly the owners of the land. If you check so many cultures all over the world, people will be saying that them the crown king. Now them must crown that king. They are the first people to settle in that land. Now waiting they happen for Iseluku kingdom be this. Go and verify. The most important thing here is that the first settlers in Iseluku kingdom are Igbo people. Olibo, the grandchild of Ezechime that came and became their king, is still an Igbo person. Olibo is originally pronounced as Olibo, which means Ide before. Ezechime communities in Oshimiri and Anyocha land, they call Ode as Ole. Just as we say Nayodia, which means your papa day house. All those Ezechime communities there will tell you Nayolia. So Ezechime na Igbo person. All those Bini people when they come online, they tell say Ezechime is Bini. Shame on you people. The Obi of Obio Kingdom in Anioma land said that they are Bini people. Iseluku they say they be Bini people. So many of all those Ezechime communities, the Obis in that communities, so many of them don't know their history. And it's very bad. That is why we are trying to correct all those wrong impressions that they have been propagating offline and online. The Obi of Onitsha said that Ezechime is an Igbo man and not a Bini man. He said that Ezechime and his people that founded all Ezechime communities in Anioma and the Southeast, that they are Igbo returnees from Bini Kingdom and from Yoruba land. Archaeological evidences backed it up. Listen to what this our elder from Ezi said here. This is very important. He said that when he was working in custom in 1954 to 1959, that he is the one that goes to Oba Akenzwa in Bini Kingdom to license the gun of Oba Akenzwa for him. Then he started asking Oba Akenzwa about the history of Ezechime, and Oba Akenzwa told him that Ezechime is an Igbo man from the east who was invited to Bini Kingdom to prepare for the Oba of Bini charms for protection against his brother who he is having issues with. Oba Akenzwa was the king of Bini Kingdom in 1954. Our elder from Ezi asked him to tell him the history of Ezechime, and Oba Akenzwa told him that Ezechime is from the east, that he is not a Bini man. Oba of Bini take him out to return, say Ezechime not be Bini man, say na Igbo man. Yet the Obis of some Ezechime communities for this Anioma land, they thought say Ezechime na Bini man, say they be Bini people. The throne of Bini Kingdom knows Ezechime not be Bini man, they know it. If you come online, you're gonna see all these 10th class Bini historians. They go do online, they talk rubbish. Yeah, Ezechime is a Bini man. Oba Bini na Ibonam, Oba Bini brother na Ibonam, Bini chief na Ibonam, this, that. They go, they talk rubbish. Who are those people saying that there are no Igbos in Delta states? You will see some non-Igbo people in Nigeria that are fighting the unity of Igbo. They will be telling you that there are no Igbos in Delta states. Fools. All Ezechime communities in Anioma land and in the Southeast, they are Igbo people. They are of Igbo origin. 45% of Delta state is Igbo land and territory. And that 45% of Delta state is Anioma land. We Anioma people, we be Igbo people. We are not Bini people. All those Ezechime people that are saying that they are not Igbo people but Bini people, you people should start retracing your steps, because all those Bini people when they claim when they talk say una be Bini people, they know say deep down say una not be Bini people but Igbo people. Bini people will be lying, telling you that the true name of Ezechime is not Ezechime, that the real name is Ikimi. Some say that it's called Ezechime. Just look at the kind of lies that Bini people are lying. That is how Bini people say that Oduduwa is originally called Izodua. That is Yoruba people that changed it from Izodua to Oduduwa. Bini history is just filled with lies. All those people saying that there are no Igbos in Delta State, you people should come and chase us away from Anioma land. Let's see. There are no Igbos in Delta States. Come and chase us away. We are waiting for you people. All Ezechime communities are Igbo people. Ezechime is of Igbo origin. Whether he's from Arochukwu, Oka, or Nri Kingdom, Ezechime remains an Igbo man. Igbo bofu, Anioma land is Igbo land. Ishiagware.